Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is pretty cool today. I'm at the Dollar Tree. They're starting to restock for the fall. It's unbelievable, just some of the really cute ideas that you can have. Just wanted to share them with you real quick. I'm just going to be making something here pretty soon, but wanted to show you all the different things they have in stock. It's just crazy. Got the cute little boxes down here. And then they even have the paints, which I really like. And this is something new that I haven't seen, the chalkboard paint. And they have the little canvases for the kids. And those are fun to practice on. They got the brushes. The acrylic paints is kind of fun too. I really like those. And the containers are very nice to have. I've used those as well. Just some of the things I wanted to share with you. I've even painted the butterfly that I posted on my website. Definitely check it out. Those are fun to do. Can be very detailed, and you can also accentuate them with some of the stickers. Very, very cool. I'll pause the video for just a second to give you guys a chance to see. But definitely the lettering, I tend to use those sometimes on different things, and I like seeing what we have here in stock. This is pretty fun today. I'm enjoying myself. I'll be right back, guys. Hi guys, something else I wanted to share with you. It's only $1. It's a caulking, and I use this quite a bit around sinks. It gets a lot of use in our kitchen, in the bathroom. It's a great touch-up tool, and for only $1, I know I spend a lot more at your other dealerships, and I won't mention other names, but any of the other hardware stores you will. One thing I wanted to share with you too is they have a line here, and I don't know if you can see back here. They are vacuum storage bags for only $1, and I've used those many times. It's a pretty cool little tool to have. And I put things under the bed and things I store downstairs underneath the stairway. Just to share with you some other things. They're pretty well stocked today, which I'm kind of surprised. And anytime I have a birthday or someone, I usually grab some body sprays. They have some things. It's pretty neat for $1. And any of the little bathroom accessories too. You can't beat a good shower liner down there for $1 as well. Let's see what they have here. Yeah, going over these are a must. I've already bought quite a few of these, so I won't buy any more this time. But they're Scrub Buddies, and they've got the green on the back and the regular sponge. Those are really nice to have. Get your socks. They got all the hair accessories. Goodness gracious. Around through here. I always love to play anytime the girls, my girlfriends' kids are younger, and get them their dollar nail polish. They just get a kick out of that. A touch up. You can't beat that for $1. And let me just go down the road here a little bit. They got quite a selection from LA. Just the different ones. They're just fun eyeshadows. I'm kind of particular about some things, so I kind of pick and choose when I come down here and shop. They surely have a full stack today. Pretty well stacked. Then, well, they have COVID going on. If you're interested, they've got face masks, face shields. It's pretty nice, really. Kids face masks. They've got the inserts for your shoes. Very cool. And any of the baby products. Oh my gosh, those are too cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, I think I'm in love. Oh my goodness. Wish my feet were that small. And again, they have pretty good line of carpet refreshers, air fresheners. They're really good selection to choose from. I won't even begin to go down the candy aisle. As you can see, it's just completely full. We're having Halloween coming up, so I'm going to avoid that area right now because there's no such thing as just one bite and one piece. And you can see here, it's the same way. We've got a lot of food here, a lot of chips. What I like too is that sometimes they have smaller amounts to choose from. I have had this oatmeal, and this is very good. Apple cinnamon. And we've also had our pop-ups. Those are pretty good. And we have the maple and brown syrup. I've had this one too. If you like oatmeal. Alright, let me just head down here real quick. You can see we have a lot of spices. I like a lot of the spices here too. Put them in my shelf. I'm just seeing if there's anything that really strikes me that I need today. I'm going to kind of pick through right now on the bowls. These are really, really cute. I like these. I've got enough. I can't get any more in the house or I'll be in trouble. I think some of you can relate to that. Let's go to the other side real quick and we'll check out what the last aisle has to hold. So this is just giving you an updated. I haven't been to the Dollar Tree in a long time. As you can see, they even have some brand names, Imperial. They have some Oscar Mayer. They have some pretty good brand names. All right, let's see what we got back here. I love the tile for the Dollar Tree here. Very, very nice. I'll be coming back getting some of these tins for the holidays coming up. Aluminum foil, you can't beat that for $1. I've got about 4 of them at home. And Tupperware are always my best friends. Okay, I think we're at the very end here. They're pretty picked over on their towels and everything. And you can see down there, we have all the other utensils for cooking. Well, thanks very much for watching, guys. And if you have any questions, like I said, please let me know if there's something you want to see. And I really appreciate you watching. Don't forget to click and subscribe, and we'll see when we go next. Have a great evening and enjoy the rest of the week. Thanks for watching. Take care.